In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bug ticket in Jira using the global create button. If you need to quickly report a production defect, capture a regression, or send a breaking issue into your triage workflow, Jira makes that process much easier once you know where to look. Instead of digging through project menus and wasting time trying to find the right option, you can use Jira's global issue creation tool to open a ticket from almost anywhere in the platform. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own secure account. Once you're logged in and the main dashboard has loaded, look across the top of the screen for the global navigation bar. This is where the main shortcuts live, and it's the fastest place to begin. Next, find the blue Create button near the top of the page, usually close to the search bar, and click it once. Jira will open the issue creation window on top of your current page. This pop-up is where you'll enter all the key details for the new bug report. In the form, start by selecting the correct project from the drop-down menu. This is important because it determines where the issue will live and which team will see it. Right below that, locate the issue type field and choose bug. That tells Jira you're logging a defect rather than a task, story, or another issue type. After that, click into the summary field and enter a short, clear headline for the problem. Keep it specific and easy to scan. A strong summary helps your team understand the issue at a glance and makes triage much smoother. As a good rule, make it descriptive, unique, and fairly concise. Then move down to the description field. This is where you'll explain the defect in a useful format. Include the steps to reproduce the issue, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. The clearer this section is, the easier it will be for QA, developers, and reviewers to confirm and prioritize the problem. If your workflow includes it, continue by setting the priority, choosing the relevant components, and assigning the issue to the appropriate engineer. Before you submit anything, take a final moment to review the form. Make sure the required fields are complete, confirm the details are accurate, and attach any supporting screenshots or error logs if needed. Once everything looks correct, go to the bottom right corner of the window and click Create. Jira will save the new bug and place it into your project tracking workflow. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.